Happy birthday, dear Ru. Happy birthday, dear भाई
ये देख निशान पड़ गया।
ये बच्चा चोरी है।
Hello all the beautiful people out there. So कैसे हैं आप लोग? Welcome back to my channel. This is me Rubal and today I'm gonna show you my birthday vlog. Woo! Let's get into the video. And I hope you also enjoy this virtual birthday with me. And yeah, if you can get some ideas to celebrate birthdays of your loved ones in the upcoming months, go ahead and watch it and do let me know how you like.
It's your birthday. We gonna party like it's your birthday. It's your birthday.
Okay, it's my birthday eve today and I decided to get a haircut for myself. So I'm heading towards Gitanjali Salon. And finally I'm here. Select City is my second home. God damn, I miss this place a lot. Going for a haircut now, just self-pampering sessions. So getting my hair washed and I got my haircut done quickly. It's my birthday eve today and Joey, my friend from Australia, had sent me this through Ferns and Petals, this yummy mango cake, and I loved it. Love you, Joey. Okay, and I'm waiting for all my calls. Mama has decorated my room so well. Then I received my first video call from my sister who's living in Canada since almost 1.5 years. I miss her so much. I was really surprised. I was into tears that that's something very special she did to me. Like, she could do the best she did for me. And she just prepared all this decoration for me. She brought a cake and made that video call. This is some of the rarest thing my sister could ever do for anyone, but yeah, obviously she loves me a lot, so she did that for me. She's even dancing, she's trying to put cake in my mouth through this virtual birthday celebration, and I really miss her a lot at this time.
हैप्पी बर्थडे की गिफ्ट करा मैं क्या बेटी दे दे दारू दी बर्थडे की गिफ्ट करा मैं क्या बेटी दे दे दारू दी वसी बुकिया बुक.
So guys, the party has just begun and I have received so many cute digital gifts from my friends. So just have a look.
ऐसे हंसते रहे और हम ऐसे तेरा बर्थडे हमेशा सेलिब्रेट करते रहे. I love you.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Rubal. May you overeat your entire life. खा के फट जाए literally. Yes, just remember, like, you are blessed to have friends like us. And yes, हम भी थोड़े बहुत blessed हैं ही. But just remember, we all love you and we always want to see you happy no matter what.
Happy birthday to you, Rubal.
Happy birthday, Rubal.
can't get my eyes off this video. Like, it's been almost 10 times since my birthday I have watched this video. These are my friends, Anjali and Anu. Love you, babies. And I'm just overwhelmed every time I watch this video. It's my birthday morning now. Happy birthday to me. I'm happy and I'm waiting for my friend Ujala who has just arrived. My gift is here. Dikhao bachche, ribbon dikhao.
Open your ribbon. You've received your parcel. Happy birthday, Ruben.
Thank you. And we are heading to ISKCON. पूजा करने जा रही हैं. And now Ujala and I have come to DLF Saket. She wanted to get me all the gifts for my birthday, so here we are for shopping. And post shopping I received again 2 more surprises. One is a flower of fruits prepared by Mama and the other flower bouquet of my favorite pink roses by Timbo. This is my 3rd surprise and this is a cake by Anjali and Anu. And then Mama and Ujala did all the decorations for my birthday and I'm loving it. इतनी अच्छी डेकोरेशन की है तो फोटोशूट तो बनता है. So my friend Priyanka is here and Ujala. And this is my another birthday cake. Papa got me this.
Birthday, dear Rubel. Happy birthday to you.
My birthday and this family picture is incomplete without my sister. I miss you, Sheelu. Hey guys, jamming time, and this is the most craziest person I know on this earth, my friend Pooja.
हमरी से परनीत आ जाओ ना तो सही ऐसी मन की है सच्ची तुम हो सितारों की परे हुई गलती सॉरी हमने गाया तुम क्यों सुनी.
And now it's the favorite part of my day, that's unboxing all the gifts I've got from my family and friends. Thank you. Okay, Sephora Benefit Mascara, finally. Okay, and what else he got me? He got me a dress, satin dress. Let me show you guys. Okay, it's my 25th birthday, guys. So I even got this cute greeting card. Thank you, Papa. Mama की gifts देखते हैं, and this is very special for me. Okay, and I guess I know इसमें क्या है, but I love it. pretty. Thank you, Mama. Okay. Shilu! My sister sent me this bodycon. Super hot dress. Extremely love the bag. Thank you, Shilu! पापा ने बैग भी दिया है.
Okay, now time for some very special gifts. Two of the most special gifts I've received. One is this beautiful card Ujala made for me. This is priceless, guys, and it's truly Ujala's thing.
I love you.
I love you too. Oh. And this is a homemade cake, guys. Trust me. Pooja made this cake for me, and I'm loving it. Love you all. And I really had a blast.
I was lucky enough that my quarantine birthday or my lockdown birthday was not that sort of a lockdown birthday, and I really had so much fun. My friends were there, my family was here. That's all about my 25th birthday, guys. I hope you really liked the video. Do let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share to my channel. Stay tuned for more amazing videos. Do let me know in the comments below how you want me to create the videos and how you are liking my videos. I'm completely new to this, but I'm trying my best to. See you next week. Ta-da!